see ourselves in service to the healthcare community. We want to be training folks and providing the right skills and training that will really help these health systems advance their missions and be successful in the future. Executive MHA students typically take many of the same courses that would be required in an MBA program. You emerge with many of the same skills, but a much clearer understanding of how to use them in the healthcare environment. From an instructor standpoint, you're really facilitating really meaningful dialogue, that the students are not only learning the content that you're delivering, but they're actually working together to do case studies, exercises, and bring all of those perspectives together to create something that is, a really meaningful outcome.
They don't teach you all the answers, they teach you to look for the answers moving forward, and so I think it introduced me to a lot of great concepts that on my own I could dig deeper into, and then a lot of that leadership comes from life experiences and trying and failing.
We have people who have been gradually working their way into management positions. Some of them are people who've been kind of earmarked for executive management roles inside of their organizations, and some are just ready to get the sort of training and education they need to take the next step.
I knew I wanted to continue to grow as a leader. I was already a nurse manager here at the organization, and I was strongly encouraged by my leadership to go back to school, and that was something that I had been thinking about doing.
We typically do have a handful of students every year who will finish the program and within a couple of years be advancing into roles as chief nursing officers, chief medical officers, senior administrative executives. And that's quite common and something that we're pretty proud of.
In my group, I had a pharmacist, a coder, somebody from HR, a project manager. And so we really get to learn from each other and learn the concepts together through a diverse perspective. So you get to hear what these people from other areas of healthcare who you work with every day are thinking when you kind of hear the same information. When else in your life are you going to be in a room full of like-minded people that care so much about the same thing, and that is ultimately, improving healthcare and making it better for our patients?
Something that the students tell us is incredible about the program is that ability to learn not only a whole bunch of new skills and content areas and learn from the instructors, but to be able to learn from a whole bunch of really talented people who are in the room and in their cohort. It's really lovely to be able to train the next generation of healthcare leaders.